Welcome back. Today we are looking at the why CaLefort 44-panel Ready Refrigerator Bundle Builti is the talk of the town. The CaLefort 44-panel Ready Refrigerator Bundle is designed for homeowners who want the premium appearance of a built-in refrigerator while maintaining flexible freezer performance and customizable kitchen integration. Unlike standard freestanding refrigerators, this built-in panel-ready fridge is engineered to blend seamlessly into cabinetry, creating a luxury kitchen aesthetic while delivering dependable cooling and freezing performance. Instead of evaluating this unit under normal household conditions, I approached it as an extreme tester. Check the video description for the updated price link. My goal was to determine how well this built-in refrigerator, Smart 1001 category appliance performs when subjected to unusual demands. I intentionally overloaded shelves, repeatedly opened doors during cooling cycles, tested temperature recovery after warm grocery loads, and simulated heavy family usage patterns. The results were impressive. Throughout multiple stress tests, the refrigerator consistently maintained stable internal temperatures, recovered quickly from door openings, and demonstrated excellent organization potential for households that need reliable food preservation. If you're comparing premium built-in refrigeration solutions, this review will provide an in-depth look at whether the CaLefort model deserves a place in your kitchen renovation project. 44-inch built-in panel-ready refrigerator design, customizable appearance with panel-ready configuration, precise temperature control from 11F to 46F stable. Cooling performance under heavy loads suitable for luxury kitchen remodeling projects. Most refrigerator reviews focus on basic operation. They discuss cooling, storage space, and appearance. While those factors matter, many homeowners investing in a premium built-in appliance want to know something more important. How does it perform when life gets messy? Families load groceries after warehouse shopping trips. Kids repeatedly open doors looking for snacks. Holiday gatherings fill every shelf with food trays and beverages. Summer parties create constant temperature fluctuations. To evaluate the CaLefort refrigerator properly, I simulated these real-world challenges in several extreme scenarios. I loaded shelves with heavy food containers, placed large quantities of room temperature groceries inside, monitored recovery times, and assessed how effectively the appliance maintained consistent temperatures. The refrigerator's precise freeze control proved particularly useful. The ability to manage temperatures between 11F and 46F offers flexibility that many competing built-in models fail to provide. This allows users to tailor storage conditions according to different food preservation requirements. For homeowners seeking a luxury kitchen upgrade, the panel-ready design is another major advantage. Since panels are not included, users can customize the appearance to match existing cabinetry, resulting in a cohesive built-in look that many high-end kitchens demand. My first test involved filling the refrigerator significantly beyond what many households would normally store. Shelves were packed with beverages, dairy products, produce containers, frozen foods, meal prep containers, and bulk grocery items. The objective was to determine whether airflow and cooling performance remained consistent throughout the interior. The CaLefort performed remarkably well. Temperature variation between upper and lower storage zones remained minimal. Food stored near the back and front of shelves cooled evenly, demonstrating efficient air circulation. Many refrigerators struggle when overloaded because airflow becomes restricted. During this test, the cooling system continued operating effectively, helping preserve food quality across the entire storage space. Repeated door openings are among the biggest challenges refrigerators face. Every opening introduces warm air and forces the cooling system to work harder to simulate a busy family environment. The refrigerator door was opened repeatedly over an extended period. Temperature recovery was monitored after each cycle. The appliance consistently returned to target temperatures quickly. This rapid recovery indicates an efficient cooling system and well-designed insulation structure. For households with children or frequent kitchen activity, this characteristic can help maintain food freshness while reducing unnecessary temperature fluctuations. Check the link in the description to get yours today.